Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Terus ini bagian volume ya, pengaturan volume dari 1 sampai 4 ya sobat-sobat ya. Kemudian ini tombol on, tombol O adalah off ya. Kemudian kalau ke N nya kita ini alatnya, kalau di posisi N ini nyala ya. Nah kemudian ini adalah bagian baterainya ini. Nah kita langsung pasang saja ya. Nah ini. Nah untuk pemasangan baterainya jangan salah ya. Tepat ini ya. Nah earphone-nya ini bunyi ya. Nah, oke. Oke guys, sebelum dipasang ke telinga ya, kita volumenya kita rendahkan dulu ya guys ya. Kemudian kita tinggal atur sesuai keinginan pengguna. Nah, ini kita pasang, ini kita masukin ya. Ini caranya, cara memasang ABD ya. Hearing aid ini ada 2 nih sobat ya. Nah, ini posisinya kayak gini nih. Nah, kayak gini nih. Jadi ini ear plugnya kita masukin. Nah, kayak gini nih. Nah, kita masukin. Nah, kayak gini. Oke, kemudian yang kedua adalah sama ini bumper. Oke, sampai di sini dulu ya. Saya mempraktekkan cara menggunakan hearing aid ya, alat bantu dengar ya, yang sangat berguna sekali. Semoga bermanfaat. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe ya sobat-sobat ya. Dan salam sehat selalu ya. Oke, matur, thank